If you've been taking SATs for a while, odds are very good that you have seen questions that include choices that sound like this. And you've probably been thrown off by them at some point and gotten them wrong. This is a case, though, where all of that can be thrown out the window because the weird answer choices are actually still weird and wrong. And the rule that we're really testing here, it's a symmetry rule. We want to make sure that we have symmetrical comparisons. Right? And the key word here that tells me that is the word than, T-H-A-N. That is a word we really only use when we're making comparisons. And so if you see that in a sentence, it's a good clue that that's what to focus on, is the comparison put together correctly? So the way it's written, it is not. This means that the water near NW rota 1 is more acidic than that of stomach acid. Well, what are we comparing? We're comparing water is more acidic than that of stomach acid. What is the that referring to? The acidity? Well, the stomach acid is the thing that's acidic. So this is a case where that choice A, is normally the one that's right on the SAT, because normally we need to add in a that or a those to kind of fix a bad comparison. But in this case, those words are making it worse. And the best way to make the comparison is to say that the water is more acidic than stomach acid. We're comparing water to stomach acid. We don't need any extra words because we're not comparing any extra things. It's a simple comparison. If that didn't bother you, if that didn't confuse you, it's probably because you haven't really encountered this rule in other places quite yet. So it really just depends on where you are in your practice, but I would take note of that. You will see this again. And many times, choices like A and B are actually the ones that end up being right, even though they sound totally weird. So you don't want to think about it in terms of sound. You want to think about it in terms of symmetry and comparisons, and to make sure that you are comparing two things that are actually comparable. In this case, water and stomach acid, they're both liquids, they're both acidic, so we're good to go.